Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Esna Synchronous bonded leather manager chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, mechanism, arms, 5-star base, gas strut cover, 5 casters, 2 different sized Allen keys, 4 nylon washers, 4 bolt caps. Bolts. Some of these are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Next, place the mechanism on the seat pad with the backrest bracket on the mechanism pointing to the rear of the seat and insert the bolts provided. Do not fully tighten the bolts until all 4 are in position. We recommend to use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, attach the backrest to the seat pad using 3 bolts as shown. At this stage, do not fully tighten the bolts to allow a small amount of movement to help when attaching the arms in the next stage of the assembly. Remove the centre from the nylon washers and place them over the holes for the arm bolts as shown. Now, attach the arms to the seat pad. Both arms are the same, so they can be used on either side. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts yet, or it may be difficult to align them with the holes. Once this stage is complete, you can tighten all bolts. Please use the Allen key provided. With the help of another person, place the seat onto the gas strut as shown. Finally, push the bolt caps into the holes on the arms to finish. Please keep your Allen keys to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your Esna Synchronous bonded leather manager chair is complete. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.